Accessories for my Stanley Cup. S for stainless. Oh my god, they're so cute. So cute. Oh my god. Carry for my Stanley Cup. Alright. Butterfly, just like my salmon. Sting it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Amazing. Soon, by the grace of God, my Stanley Cup is gone. Alright. I'm just. Hello, everyone. Sorry, I'm looking like this. Like, I just got a package and I said, okay, I must open it. Yeah, and this hair is already getting old, but I'm gonna make a new hair for my birthday. Yeah, I think first week of August, so that's why I've not used this hair. I know some people will be like, this hair, I've carried it for long. It's not that you're not having money, you're having money, but why don't you want to lose this hair? It gets, but I'm gonna lose it. So it's your girl Stylish Lady Sparkle, and I'm here to do what? Sparkle the world. So in this video, I'll be showing you stuff I got from AliExpress. Like, yeah, I'll be unboxing it to show you all what's inside. So do well to like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you've not subscribed, because what are you waiting for? Come on, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button. Thank you. So this is what I'll be unboxing for you all to see. So are you ready? Are you excited to see this? Because I'm excited about this. Let's dive into this. Let the unboxing begin. So, guess what's inside here? This is the resistance band, because the one I had cut, because me and my sister have been driving it a lot. So new ones, yeah, hooray! So resistance band, yeah, one. Oh, this is for the glutes. Another one. Yay. That's for the glutes. Oh my god. Wow, this is nice. See how that is how you're going to use it. Memory space got exhausted. So these are resistant bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll show you. It's so much thicker than some. This one is so fucking light. I think I'm gonna start with the thick one. Yeah, okay. I'm so excited about it. Trying to grow some more glutes. So this is the manual. This is the manual. So over to the next. I think I'll really do a lot of core exercises tonight. Yep. I think there's still something inside. What is it? Oh, beautiful nail. Oh, but it's just after I've seen some book, I just only one. Let me show you how it's looking like. I think I'll say pulling out already. I think it's nice, right? It's fine. I prefer it than this one. I think this one is smaller. I'm excited about it too. This one to very cute. This four are so cute. I hope there's nothing else inside there. Nothing. That's nice. This stuff, I don't even use it. Okay. Then, this one, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Let me open it and check. If I don't open it to check, I wouldn't know, right? Oh, the junction box for charging. To charge. Unbox it. If it is working fine or not. This side is how the pressure controller is. Okay, that's on. Wow, amazing. Ta-da! Then let's check. Let's check what's inside here. Oh, Stanley Cup accessories. Oh my god, it's so cute. Can't wait for my Stanley Cup to arrive. Oh my god, so cute. Accessories for my Stanley Cup. S for stainless. Oh my god, they're so cute. So cute. Oh my god. Hi for my Stanley Cup to arrive. butterfly, just like my sign. My hair is so cute. Soon, by the grace of God, my Stanley Cup is gonna arrive. Definitely, I'm gonna do some unboxing for y'all. Guys, please don't mind us. I'm not looking perfect, okay? Yeah, I just need to just show up no matter how I am. I must not prepare and look so cute before I come to camera. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment which of the packages you love most. Until next time, see you in the next video. Love you today. Bye.